How do you lower your iPhone brightness? There are more ways how you can achieve this. First of all, when you swipe down from the top right corner of the display like this, you're gonna get to what's called Control Center. And here you have quick toggles for Wi-Fi and so on. And this slider in here with the sun icon is for the brightness. So you can swipe it up and down like this to adjust the volume. Right, so as you can see, you can lower it down, and this is how you control it. You can also hold down on it and make it go to full screen for even more precision. So that's very useful, and it is always accessible, so it doesn't matter what you're doing. You might be inside of an app, you can always swipe down from the top right and access the brightness controller. So that's very useful. But you can also go to your settings app and find the section in here which is called the display and brightness, and once you get inside you will be presented with the same controller. So in here you as well get to control how bright the screen is gonna get, and it is essentially the same thing in here, just accessed differently. So I think it's more practical to go in here, but you can also go to the settings. One more thing though, it is possible that your brightness is set to the automatic brightness, meaning that based on your environment, the screen brightness might go up or down to match it, and you can decide if you want to have it enabled or not in the main settings page when you go to accessibility, and then click on a display and a text size, and at the bottom entirely we have the auto brightness. So as you can see, once I enabled it based on the surroundings, it went up, but if I went into like a darker environment, it would go down. You get my point, it is based on the sensor. I personally like to control it fully, so I don't like the automatic section, but it is up to you. So that's it for me. I hope that I was able to explain it and help you out. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more if you are interested, and I'll talk to you later in future uploads.